Subscribe to Old Coin Z Collection and join the family of true coin lovers today. I bring you a story that is not just about metal, not just about value, but about time itself. A story hidden in a small but powerful coin. This coin, United Arab Emirates 1 Dirham of the year 1998, also marked 1419 in the Islamic calendar. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine the world of 1998. The Gulf was booming with new dreams, new constructions, and a new identity. The UAE was shaping itself into the global center we know today. Every small detail of that era carries a piece of this transformation, and this little coin is one of those silent witnesses. When you hold it in your hand, you're not just touching a piece of currency, you're touching a memory of a nation rising with incredible speed. The 1 Dirham coin from 1998 reflects the UAE's cultural and economic strength of that era. Made of cupronickel, strong and shining, this coin was designed to withstand years of circulation. The elegant Arabic calligraphy, the distinct coffee pot design symbolizing hospitality, and the Islamic year 1419 written beside the Gregorian year 1998 all combine to create something far beyond an ordinary coin. It is a reminder of the deep respect the region has for both tradition and modernity. For many collectors, this coin isn't valuable for its rarity alone, but for what it represents. The late 90s are remembered for the UAE's rapid leap into global recognition. Towers were rising, trade was expanding, and travelers from all over the world were arriving in Dubai and Abu Dhabi with curiosity and admiration. Every vendor, every traveler, every worker, every shopkeeper of that time handled these coins. They were used in markets, exchanged at ports, passed through the hands of families and merchants who had come from all corners of the world to take part in the Gulf's growing prosperity. This 1998 coin is also a bridge between generations. Many of you watching right now might remember the early days of the UAE's transformation. You may have seen this exact coin in your pocket when prices were simple and everyday life moved at a slower, steadier rhythm. For younger collectors, this coin becomes a doorway to understanding that period through the stories elders share. Collectors value the 1998 1 Dirham for several reasons. First, it represents a turning point period in UAE history. Second, its dual date mark, 1998 and 1419, attracts both world coin collectors and Islamic calendar collectors. Third, its design is one of the most recognized images from the UAE, making it highly desirable as a symbolic piece. And fourth, coins from the late 90s that remain in excellent condition are becoming harder to find because they were circulated heavily at the time. Every scratch, every shine, every curve tells its own chapter of its long journey. Now imagine a coin like this preserved perfectly for more than 2 decades. No scratches, no wear, just a silent treasure kept safely away from time's touch. Such a coin becomes a storyteller, a relic that holds more value in memory and meaning than in metal. This is what collectors around the world search for. Not just an object, but a connection. A connection to place, to culture, to the spirit of a nation that grew from sand to skyline within a single generation. This is why videos like this matter. They protect the stories before they disappear. They remind us that even the smallest objects can hold the biggest histories. And that is exactly what makes coin collecting so special for so many of you watching right now. You don't collect coins, you collect time. You collect pride. You collect heritage. And now, after sharing this whole journey, after traveling back to 1998 and witnessing the golden age of UAE progress through this tiny piece of metal, it is time for the moment many of you wait for. The value reveal. The stunning highlight of today's video. A number that turns heads and opens eyes. Because the beauty of rare collectibles is not only in their history, but also in the excitement they create. So here it is. Today's featured coin. This coin, United Arab Emirates 1 Dirham from the year 1998, Islamic year 1419, in extraordinary preserved condition, has been showcased for a stunning value of $2 million at the end of this presentation. Stay connected, stay passionate, and don't forget to subscribe to Old Coins E Collection for more remarkable stories hidden in small treasures.